morning, guys. We're going to start in 8 minutes. Get some questions, tickers in. I'll see you guys very shortly. Good morning, guys. To those who have just joined, welcome. We're going to start in 6 minutes, all right? Just like at the stream and stuff, and I'll be with you very shortly. 6 minutes. See you then. Good morning, guys. What up? 3 minutes till we do get started. 3 minutes. I don't expect many people to be in here. I probably will cut it a little short this stream. So yeah, I'll just focus mainly in the Discord for today. Alright, so yeah, I'll be here as usual. Just give me 3 minutes, we'll start, but probably cut it a little short, depending how many people we get in here. Alright, peace. All right, guys, let's just get started now. We'll start a couple minutes early. We will start a couple minutes early. Real quick. Radio. Good morning, guys. Guys, at the moment, you'll see not many people are active on Twitter, just on socials in general, in terms of the Twitter aspect of the finance Twitter, FinTwit as they call it. So it'll be pretty much dead, to be honest, just because the market's not great at the moment. Also, there's a lot of bearish price action, larger caps mainly as well. Hedge funds are getting bent over right now. So yeah, just very quiet, but you know, still making great money in the Discord, doing very well. It's just patience, discipline. Yeah, I love trading in these conditions because it just proves to me even more, gives me more confidence. So when the bullish market comes, that, you know, some serious money to be made. Right. Good morning. What up, Scott? Good morning, Fig. What up, Totes? Yes, finally Friday. Finally. Yo. LFWD. So I don't have many plays on my watch list. I don't think I will trade at all today or take any trades at intraday. Just because I'm only here for an hour after open, and if I don't see anything right now, pre-market, it's not really too much going on, especially over $1. So yeah, I might just call it a week, to be honest, but we will have a look and see. This LFW needs to break above $2.32. I personally wouldn't enter now because it's still bearish, downtrend. 99% of stocks are in a bearish trend, so you do not want to trade those. You want to focus on something that is an uptrend that has volume, especially Fridays is a big sell-off, so that's what I would focus on. Finally joined Discord. What up? So no, we are not okay. I highly recommend that you go and watch the intro video if you haven't already. But if you don't know, in the Discord on Fridays, they're very short days. I only trade, since the clocks have changed back now, I'm here pre-market on Fridays, and then intraday, I'm only here for an hour, and then I'm off to play football. Since it is 6:30 p.m. in Dubai, or 5:30 p.m. when the market opens, it is later here, and the weekend's already started for me, so I have other commitments. But yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're always there as normal. Just Fridays are a shorter day in terms of us giving alerts and setups and being there. But yeah, we have a lot of great members in the Discord who will help you along the way, and so on. But yeah, Fridays usually just trade for an hour and call it a day. That's what I suggest. But welcome. That bond was unbelievable. Be very careful of this thing. This was a 1 minute candle here. This was absolutely insane to watch. I don't know if anybody saw this thing, but that is a 1 minute candle right here, and that was incredible. Incredible. BBAI needs like some. Okay, look, this is the aspect I'll give you. Right? Let's do a top-down analysis. The weekly is bearish. The daily is bearish. The 4 hour is bearish. The 1 hour is also bearish. It needs to break this high. However, it is pushing up. It's up 5%, but in my opinion, the safest entries would be still above $3.55, right? I know QBTS is running, which is a quantum stock. I think it is, or it might be the pharmaceutical one, I'm not too sure. But BBAI, yeah, still needs 335 break. I'm assuming there's news on this. Oh, 355, sorry, 355 break. So you're not entering this unless 355. I don't know. I think it will rebound like with the rest of the market. I want the market to come down at least another 6, 7, 8%. Let it bleed. We need a big healthy pullback, and then that's when we get the reversal for the nice bullish trend again. So it's good though, the market's like this. It needs a healthy pullback. We need it to come down, kick out all the pumpers and everything, let them go. And then the ones who are actually able to trade will stay in the market, and we can make some serious money. And Trump with his tariffs isn't helping, obviously, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, BBAI, just wait for that. What about Hoth? I don't like this stock at all. I think it's a trash stock, but no, nothing on this. I'm very curious to see what you see on this or what you like on it. Just please give me some feedback on what you see. But at the moment, yeah, nothing on this. Bearish, low volume, downtrend. Sellers are in full control. But yeah, maybe about 137. I think Hoth will be today's game changer because of news. I don't see any news on Hoth yet. But if it reverses, then I wish you best of luck. If you're at the moment, I don't see anything. Maybe there's news coming in a few minutes or something, but at the moment, I don't see anything. AAOI, is this pushing up a little bit today? Yeah, AAOI is nothing on this. Applied optoelec. Maybe above 2560. 2560 would be good for entries. Right now, it's just bearish. I know it's up 52%, but if you're looking for entries, I would wait for that break. So AAOI needs 2560 break. I just focus on the most recent area of resistance, and if it breaks the most recent area of resistance, then it can probably push to the upside, but right now I wouldn't get in. Yeah, Yoka looks like the best setup. This looks fantastic. I like this play. In my opinion, right now, this is the only mover. This is the top gainer. This is the only stock that's running. This is probably the highest probability and the best setup to trade. That does not mean buy now. Highly recommend to focus on a strategy that you've learned or learning, or if you don't know a strategy and you're just going to buy it, then just understand that you might lose because you don't have a proper strategy. Learning that is extremely important, but even more important than that is risk management. So focus on that risk management as well. Right, there you go. So broke out of a nice bullish pennant here. This is very nice. Bullish chart, expecting continuation. Discord members, you know what you need to do. Use the candlestick strategy. Use it to your advantage. Right, I need to put in the setup examples. Under setup examples, we have bullish pennant. Put that in there, so we got it in. Got this in. But yeah, market's going to heat up and it's going to be absolutely amazing. I'm actually excited for it because it's been bearish for a while, the last few weeks or so, but just have to be slow, patient now. But then when the market heats up, we gone. We are gone. Wow, Jay, 5 out of 5 goals this week. Damn. Well done, man. Well done, Jay. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Thank you, sir. No problem. CSAI, please. Sure. CSAI, 4 hour. We are in a downtrend. What is this cloud? So at the moment, yeah, this is unfortunately bearish. I know it's up 6%. I'm assuming a little bit of news of some sort. But at the moment, you just need to wait for that downtrend to break. So it could be here at $5.32, could be down here at $3.40. I'm not too sure when, but just copy this chart, use the 4 hour. Need downtrend break. So BT just had big earnings beat. So just a tip, I mean, I don't know if you know this or not, but a stock will not run based on if it's beat earnings or not. Okay, whether it's beat earnings or not, it doesn't matter, right? Maybe a little bit. The most important thing and why the stock actually runs, for instance, when you've seen a video or something, let's say, for instance, Uber, okay, let's say, for instance, Uber has great earnings, right? But the guidance, meaning what's happening for the future, what's happening in the future for the company next quarter or upcoming, any upcoming news for the stock or something good, any potential, any good news that might come up for the stock, and they say, oh, investors think that there's a good possible buy, then yes, that is what gives it. The guidance is the financial, my opinion, the direction of what will happen, because you can have shit earnings, but they can have great guidance, and that's what will push it to the upside. But if you have, right, if you have negative, if you've even beaten earnings, but you have bad guidance, the stock will still go down. That's why people say, oh, the stock beat earnings, but why is it going down? Probably because of the guidance, right? Maybe the outlook of in the next few months or in the next year or so, there's nothing potential. They don't see anything great about the company, right? Maybe they're just saying maybe run out of low on cash flow or something. That will obviously indicate that there's not much potential for growth yet and so on. So Unless they say there's something good with the guidance part, that will definitely give it a good push to the upside. Sorry, I was busy reading something. But which one is it? BT. Yeah, this is also a Bitcoin stock, so that obviously follows Bitcoin as well. Press release was cool. There you go. Yeah, so I don't know the guidance. I haven't looked at this on the stock. What I would do is I can show you based on technicals that obviously it is in a downtrend like this. So this is what you have at the moment. BT. BHAT is crazy. Hasn't got news today. What's look good? BHAT is the shittest stock on the market. I hope you're not trading that. Trash. I hate this stock. I only share this chart because people ask about it, and I think every single person that follows me is bag holding this. There's absolutely nothing on this. The weekly is bearish, the daily is bearish, the 4 hours bearish, the 1 hour is bearish, the 30 minutes bearish, the 15 minutes bearish. There's no sign of reversal. The stock is getting pumped. And also look at the price of it. It's 4 cents. Whether it runs up and goes crazy, for me, I would just delete this off your watch list and not even touch it. I never ever trade this stock. No entries unless 0.045. I am not trading this. I mean, whether I tell you guys I'm not trading or not, I'm just letting you know that I don't trade this stock. It's 4 cents. I don't even trade stocks under $1. You called SPY bearish the other day. I haven't looked at SPY since Wednesday. Yes, it is still bearish. My prediction is still on round. Go. Do something like this. Yeah, downtrend. Retest here maybe to go down again. It will only be bullish, right? The only reason this will be, or the only way it will be bullish if it breaks this high at 563. The reason is it needs to make a higher high and a higher low. Right now it's making a lower low and a, look here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is what we expect. So if you look here closely, right? This here broke this low. This was the previous support. It broke below it. It's trying to go up. It needs to break 563. 563.60 in order to continue the upside, but or go up. Right now it's no volume yet on BTBT. Yeah, as I see emerging news talk stocks. Yeah, I mean I don't know, Chrissy. I don't trade stocks based off the news, but I can show you based on technicals that above 25.60 maybe good entries. I don't trade anything $1. Yeah, that's smart. Yeah, we got some bag holes this year. Yes, we do. We sure do. T-Non. Bearish. T-Non's got rocked. Yeah, T-Non's nothing. Extremely bearish. Just leave this. I don't even need to chart this. You can see it's just very bearish. No good, no good. CRVO. CRVO, I know a lot of people are talking about this. I mean, what I will tell you is that you have an area of support right here. It's a bit loud. Like 550 is a nice psychological support. So what I'll do is I'll mark it in blue like this as usual. We'll wait and see what happens with this. Yeah, so right now, I mean, it just needs to hold this 550. What is this? CRV needs to hold 550. Rhyme's not great, is it? Okay, Rhyme 4 hour. There's very low volume on this. What I would do is just look at the chart. Obviously, this is in a downtrend. All right. So you always just wait for the downtrend to break. I'm going to go to this. I'm going to go through it just to give you a good indication of what's going on. So yeah, right now it's bearish, right? So nothing on Rhyme at the moment. Be bearish. Tiger, may give the bag holders some advice on really cut losses. Yeah, I mean, I talk about it all the time, guys. You need to have a stop loss if you're trading, whether you've just started or been trading for 600 years. You need to have a stop loss. That is the most important thing, and that's what differentiate you from someone who's a good trader to a bad trader. Like I said, and I explain it to everyone in the Discord, and I tell my friends who are trying to trade and all these things. I can give you my strategy. My strategy is given in the Discord. Everybody in the world can know my strategy. It's fine. It's easy. I can tell you when to buy. I can tell you when to sell, right? And understand, and you know, when you use the strategy that I've given, you know when to buy. You know what you need to do. You know where to buy. You know where to sell. You know all these things that you need to do. However, the difference, what differentiates me to you, is that I manage my risk. I always make sure that I cut my loss, and I always make sure I take my profits. That's it. The difference is when new traders, they'll use the strategy. That's fine. But their risk management is all over the place. They will full port the trade. They won't have a stop loss. They won't have a stop loss. They'll have some crazy 500% target and all this stuff. That is extremely bad trading, and that's what differentiates yourself from me, because I manage my risk and I know how to trade properly. All of that is in the Discord. The risk management plan is there for you. The strategy that I give and how I trade and how I make my money is there. If you follow my strategy and the risk management to the T, there is no reason why you won't make money. Yes, it will take time for you to get used to the strategy and practice it. It's not going to work first time, second time, 100th time. Right? There's no time frame for it. It's as long as you put in the hours and the time, then you will definitely become profitable. I can guarantee you for sure. All right. So yeah, you need to cut your losses quick. I have a 3% stop loss. It's not the best percentage. Some people have 5%, some people have a 10%, but I definitely would not go over 10% stop loss, especially for a day trader. Definitely not as a day trader. But yeah, I don't think anything's going to get better over the weekend. So yeah, we'll see a lot of news. Definitely would not be holding any plays overnight or over the weekend. Very, very risky. I got bagged a lot of plays early days, miserable feeling. Yeah, I know. It's just emotions and like putting your ego aside and understanding, okay, I've lost this trade, let me cut it, instead of averaging down on that. When I day trade, I do not. I go in with my normal size. Let's say I have, for example, I will not go in with more than 20% of my account. So if I have $1,000 in my account, I'll only trade with $200 max per trade. And then let's say I have a 5% stop loss, right? That means the most I'm going to do, most I'm going to lose is $10 from my $200 investment with a 5% stop loss. That's it. So I know with my emotions before getting in the trade, I understand, okay, I've taken my trade. The most I'll lose on this trade is 10%. That's it. You can manage how much you can lose, right? But obviously you can also control how much you can make as well, right? The money you can make is also infinite. But at the same time, you can control how much you want to lose. You can put your stop loss, and you are the one to be in control to cut it. That's it. All right, Tesla move. Let me have a look. Tesla's trying, it's trying, but I don't know what Tesla's going to do. You got 250 as your big psych level. So let me put it here for you. 250 doll hairs. Yeah, I would say over 250. I'm going to put it in yellow, nice little bright color. I really wish this Weeble had some better color palettes, like same as TradingView and some of the other ones. Yeah, Tesla needs, this is big 250. We need this over 250 before the weekend. If we can get this over 250 for the weekend, this is very bullish. But we will have to wait and see. Wheeler. Let's check Wheeler out. Wheeler, nothing unless $1.60. This stock is extremely bearish. Needs 160 break. Yeah, just very bearish, low volume. I just didn't focus on that right now. Tiger, QMCO, good run since open. We call demand zone $15. This is quantum, right? Ooh, this is good. Quantum for what? 15 and 15.25. Yeah, I would use this, like this range, like this whole range here. Something like this. So here, so you have this. whatever this is, 15.25. You said that, and $15. Close, 14. Well, yeah, I just did 14.60. Just this range here. But yeah, pretty much the same. I need to get in your Discord to learn technicals. Yes. I mean, my trading and my style and Hassie, we're pretty much exactly the same trader. We have different styles, but the way we trade and chart is pretty much exactly the same, to be honest with you. Guys, if you're new to day trading, I recommend small position with 5% stop loss, test and try, see what works for you, use small positions. That is correct, Paul. Just also, guys, you must make sure that if you don't have money to lose, if the money you are trading with, you need it, do not trade with it. Just use a demo account, use fake money. The demo account is applying. If you can use a demo account the same way as you trade with real money, then you are fine. But if you're gonna put $1 billion in your demo account and then you're gonna try and full pour everything to make as much money as you can, just randomly trying to enter trades, you're not gonna learn. Use a demo account, use the same things what you would do if you use real money, and that's how you trade. That's my honest opinion, to be honest. You can't get attached to these stocks. Yeah, they don't care. The stocks do not care about you. The best thing you can do is just cut your loss and move on, because most of the time what happens to people who are new to trading, they will take such big losses, right? And they will take also very big wins. And the issue is that they don't realize that if they cut those losses, let's say they have a 20% stop loss, cut that to a 5% stop loss and keep those winners at whatever 20% moves, they're going to be profitable, right? And that's what all you have. Sometimes maybe it's nothing to do with your strategy, it's to do with your risk management. So that is what I recommend. VTOG, I mean, in my opinion, this is set up for a perfect breakout. However, right now, this morning, market is slow as heck. So we'll have to wait and see. But you're at a psychological support. Discord members, you have pretty much an A++ setup right here. You have an A++ setup right here. We shall see though. Market is opening up very soon. This is BTOG. Quantum play is moving. People are saying quantum plays are moving. RR is looking good. It's broken above. We have RR here, 269. Yeah, RR is trying to. Let's stop down this stock and then it ran. Yeah, RR is breaking out. So RR is breaking out, which is AI theme. Okay, and then QBT, which was the other one? QBTS is running and a couple of the others are running. Let's see, SUNE, people are spamming SUNE. Let's have a look. Yeah, SUNE has a daily gap. Okay, well this is SUNE's daily gap fill. I only have it. It's not going to look like a gap fill on here, but SUNE has a daily gap fill. Daily gap fill just means that there is a bullish move possibly coming. If you're looking for entries on a play like this, you definitely needed to break above the start of the gap, which is 0.55, around there, around that level. BON and DGLY, sure. BON, I wouldn't touch this at all in my opinion. This is extremely risky. I would just avoid it. I don't want to be rude, Nimit, but I'm just not going to chart it for you, bro. I just don't want you to trade or anything, because where this thing runs back up to $20 or whatever, and it's at $2 and you miss out on making $1 million, I do apologize, but you know, rather be safe than sorry, so I don't want to chart that one for you. This DJLY needs to close above 10.50 cents. DJLY needs 0.1050 break for entries. Below right now, below. Learning the skills of risk management is 1,000%. Yes, correct. It is. It's easy to trade. Everyone can know. You can tell your grandmother, you can tell your cat, you can tell your dog how to trade and tell them when to buy and sell. They can learn the strategy. They can say, okay, when the resistance breaks, okay, for instance, let's use the strategy. my strategy is resistance break. Now I tell you guys, okay, what you have to do is wait for a candle to close above. Now the difference is that whether you do that every single time is probably very low, because most times when it gets our resistance and the candle's about to close, you'll enter before because you think it's going to close and all this kind of stuff, right? And then in the next 2 seconds, it doesn't close and then it breaks down and comes all the way down. When you know, you should have waited. So that's another thing there. You didn't wait for the confirmation. You just tried to guess that it's going to close when you didn't wait for the full candle to close above. You just try to enter a couple seconds before, guessing that it's going to close, and then it rejects. The next one is you didn't have a stop loss when you took the trade. You didn't have a target, all these kind of things. So that makes a big, big difference. For me, I wait for the same thing. I wait for my confirmation. I take the trade, right? I have to do the same thing. Otherwise, I'm probably going to lose if I don't listen to myself. Strategy. Fortunately, SUNE, where is this? Yeah, I'll just keep this on my watch list. Another sub $1 stop. Man, there's nothing over $1 that I like. Right, I could winning all the trades day and then yes, exactly. And there's always that one more trade you take that you lose. You're like, yeah, I'm up good today, and then you take one trade and it's down. RGC has good volume. I can tell you by the candles. Personally, maybe above here, 15, 17. Yeah, above 15, 17 looks good for entries. What is this? Yeah, above 15, 17 break looks good. Good volume, but I wouldn't buy it now. It's just still in the downtrend. And as soon as you see people talking about the potential news or CEO or not, yeah. Guys, most people, 99% of people are in before you. They're in before you. They know the news, all that kind of stuff. That is why you cannot beat technicals. Technicals do not lie. They will not work 100% of the time, but they will work very, very high percentage because it's proven, right? Tiger, thanks. I agree. Just wanted to confirm that I should stay away. Yeah, just wait. I mean, the thing is, Nimble, what you could do is you could take like maybe 5% of your count in the trade and see what happens. But it's just very, very risky after that move. There's a 1 minute candle ran like 600%. Thanks for the feedback on CSAI. Let me have a look. Did I do it already? Yeah, CSAI, nothing. It's just downtrend. You just avoid it for now. LFWD. It is running. Yeah, it's pushing up a bit, so I'll keep this on the watch list since it is actually over $1. It's above VWAP. Yeah. It looks good. It's a bit choppy. You need to, I would say, if anything, maybe above 190. $1.90 should be good for entries. So it's affecting this take. Yeah, it's tough lesson, man, but yeah, exactly. Yeah, LFW, I have it here. We'll just watch it today. MRM. So MRM is in a bearish trend, right? I know it is up 28%, but from the highs today, it is down 45%. So it's down 45%, 45%. Down 45%. So you don't want to be trading this. It's in a downtrend and below VWAP. If anything, just wait for the downtrend to break to look for any entries, because right now it's bearish. Journey's looking good. Yeah, this is looking great on Uoka. Uoka is looking like the best setup today. You have this. Ideally, you want it to pull back to VWAP. That would be a nice entry, so we can use the downtrend like that. See if it pulls back to VWAP. So around this area, VWAP does move, so around this area to look for entries. Wait and see what happens. Now, I'm going to go through my watch list, guys, and then I'm going to head into the Discord to get stuff ready. 1 second. So SUNE 0.45. Let me just do the key levels on this. 0.45, 485, 0.485, and right here are your key levels for SUNE. Yeah, SUNE. SUNE key levels are right there for you to. ACHR, let's have a look at this, and then I'll go through the some more stuff. Guys, there are spots for the Discord, all right? There are spots for the Discord. for the month of, what are we in, March? Yeah, Hassie just told me this morning. So you can click the link. I will send the link there for you. It's completely optional if you want to join. Also, guys, just to mention something about it. A lot of people ask me this with the Discord. You can join and you can cancel in the same day and you will still have full access until the full month, right? It doesn't start on the 1st of every month. So when the day you join, you have a month from that, right? So if you've joined on the 14th, you will have till the 14th of next month. You will not have till the 30th of end of the month, right? Just to make that clear. So that is what you have. I've been losing from Tuesday, so thinking just staying away, just keep it. Thank you, Nancy. You should 1,000 nights. Thank you, Nima. I appreciate it. Yeah, just chill out, just wait. If the market's not great, it's not great. It is difficult to trade in it because there's not much moving, but yeah, it's just time to sit out, just watch price action, start journaling, do some practicing on strategies and things, see how that goes. Posted 7 years ago, so how long it would take to regain losses, the visual. Yeah, I remember that post. Yeah, Nemeth, don't worry, bro. If these plays don't feel right. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go through my watch list quickly, guys, and then I'm going to head into the Discord. I will be sharing setups for an hour after open, and then I'm done for the week. All right, so LFW does look good. VAOS, going to remove this one. Those look like a pump and dump. CRVO, I just have this on watch because a lot of people are talking about it. It needs to hold this support level here. HMR, I just have this on watch because it was a runner and it is in a bullish trend at the moment. QBTS, this is crazy bullish. We'll keep this one on watch today. I know it's quantum, so we'll have a look. SUNE is looking like a fantastic setup today. Discord members use candlestick strategy. Uoka's looking good. These two are probably the best setups. MRM will possibly reverse into open. And then BTOG, yeah, it really needs to hold this, otherwise it's coming down quick. All right, gonna do one more here and then heading into the Discord. Leave this. Okay, I am done. All right, guys, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Thank you again for all the support. I appreciate it. I will be back on Monday. And yes, enjoy your weekend. I will see you